Hi there! Thank you for tuning in today's practice. Let's start today's practice in a child's pose. Separate your knees wide, bring your big toes together. During your practice, if you ever feel challenged by a pose, try to bring your attention back to your breath, taking deep breaths in and out. Rise up, finding tabletop. Cat and cow. Deep inhale for cow pose. Drop your belly, tilting your tailbone up. Send your gaze up to the ceiling. Broaden through your collarbone. Send your shoulders away from the ears. As you exhale, round from the back, tucking your tailbone under. Firmly press into your hands, drawing your chin to your chest. This is the cat pose. Inhale, dropping the belly down, lifting the tailbone up, sending the gaze high. Exhale, cat. Press firmly into the hands and lift away like you're a hallowing cat. Inhale for cow, lowering the belly. Exhale, cat. Tuck the tailbone in, hips over knees. Come back to a tabletop with a neutral spine. Extend your right leg behind you, slowly lifting it up. Step it out to the right side. Step it back to where you started. Inhale, step out. Exhale, step back behind your hips. Inhale out, keeping a neutral spine. Exhale back. Other side. Extend your left leg behind you, slowly lifting it up. Step it out to the left side. Step it back to where you started. Inhale, step out. Exhale, step back. Try engaging your core for better balance. Back to your tabletop. Body circle. Walk the hands forward. Deep breath in. Draw a big circle through your rib cage, drawing it to the right, forward. Exhale. Inhale, press to the left, and then back. We are getting the spine warmed up. Deep breath in as you start taking your circle. Let's switch direction. Breathe in, draw a circle, pressing your rib cage to the left, forward. Breathe out, press right and back. Close your eyes and repeat a few more times at your own pace. Deep breath in, find tabletop. Press firmly into the palms, downward facing dog, lifting the hips up, keeping your knees bent. Inhale, relax your chest down. Exhale, engage your arms, pressing into the mat. Inhale, sink your heels into the mat. Straighten your right leg, keeping the left bent for down dog pedal. Feeling that deep stretch across your right leg. Switch sides, straightening your left bending the right. Take a few more. Right, left, right, left. Lower down on your knees. One more time, lift your hips up and back for downward dog. Slowly straighten your legs. Don't worry if you cannot fully extend the legs or touch your heels. And bend. Inhale, extending the legs. Exhale, bend. Push the mat away, making sure you don't round your back. Keep going for a few more breaths. Deep breath in and out. Walk your feet towards your hands and slowly lift up into a mountain pose. Warrior 3. Hands to heart center. Slowly float the right leg up behind you and tip forward. Press the floor away with your front foot, slowly extending it straight. Don't worry about lifting your leg high. Make sure your right kneecap and foot points at the mat. Step back for Warrior 2. Turn your left toes to the front edge of the mat. Right toes point to the wide edge. Align your heels. Spread your fingertips wide, raising your arms parallel to the floor. Lower down, finding low lunge. To maintain balance, imagine you're trying to pull your left heel and your right knee towards each other. Deep breath in and out. Low lunge twist. Bring your hands together in front of your chest. Inhale, twisting to your left. Hook your right elbow outside of your left knee. Release to low lunge. Half split. Release your hands to the sides or on your hips. Slowly fold from the hips over your front leg. Send your hips over your back knee, extending your front leg forward. Push back with the hips to find a nice stretch in your front hamstring. Back to low lunge, bending the front knee. Reach both arms up. Bend deeper into your front knee as you lower your left arm over your right thigh. Deep inhale. Reach up and high with your right hand. Exhale. See if you can bring your hand on your calf. Back to low lunge. Back to your ragdoll. Come back up. Warrior 3. Hands to heart center. Slowly float the left leg up behind you and tip forward. Press the floor away with your front foot, slowly extending it straight. Reach out through your left heel. Set your gaze onto one point to maintain balance. Lower your leg down for Warrior 2. Turn your right toes to the front edge of the mat. Left toes point to the wide edge. Align the heels. Deep breath in and out. Lower down for low lunge. Stack your right knee over your ankle. Sink your hips down, feeling a nice stretch along your right thigh. Low lunge twist. Hands in front of your chest. Inhale, twisting to your right. Hook your left elbow outside of your right knee. Back to low lunge. Half split. Release your hands to the sides or on your hips. Send your hips over your back knee, extending your front leg forward. Slowly fold from the hips over your front leg. Push back with the hips to find a nice stretch in your front hamstrings. Deep breath in and out. Back to low lunge, bending the front knee. Both arms come up. Find a deep bend in your front knee as you lower your right arm over your left thigh. Rotate your head over to the right, feeling the stretch in your spine and hip flexors. See if you can place your hand over your calf. Back to your low lunge. Back to your ragdoll. Lift your sit bones towards the ceiling. Ground your hands and knees for tabletop. End your practice in child's pose. Sit your hips over your heels. Extend your arms long. Release the tension in your shoulders. Turn your attention to your breath. Soften your face, your throat, the tops of your shoulders, the arms, all the way to the tips of your fingers. Thank you for joining me in this practice. I hope to see you in the next one, and I hope you have a wonderful day.